Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can set any video ringtone on your call ringtone. So first let me show you video which I want to set as a ringtone. So here is this video. I want to set as a ringtone. So after that go to your Play Store and in search menu type here video to audio converter. So you can download any software, but I am downloading this software. So now just click on install option. If you don't know how to use, then you can check out video or you can check out this picture so you can better understand how to use this software. So after that click on open option, then click on video to audio option, allow all access. Then here you have to select the video which you want to select as a ringtone. So just find your video. So let me do this step. So here after that you have to enter it and then click on convert option. So let me convert it. After converting, just change video name so you will find easily. So make sure name must be unique and easy. After that click on OK option, and after that click on three dots to find path where your video has been downloaded. So just look at it and then click on OK and open your settings. Now click on sound and vibration option. Now select your SIM and then add your ringtone. So you have to find your ringtone in your mobile, otherwise you can check the path where ringtone has downloaded. Then click on done option and here select your ringtone. So just let me select it. So it has been done. So your ringtone has been set on your cell phone.